Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete account here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, before you can delete your account here in Adobe Express, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. And then, for you to be able to delete your Adobe Express account, you'll need to delete your entire Adobe account, as Adobe Express is part of the Adobe ecosystem. So for you to be able to do it, I want you to hover to this link, account.adobe.com. All right. Now, once you are here, I want you to hover to the account and security tab right here. And then there should be an option that says data and privacy settings. Click on it. And from here, all I have to do is hover down to the bottom where it says delete Adobe account. And of course, you may request permanent deletion of your Adobe account at any time, provided you do not have active subscriptions or organizations. All right. Now, Adobe account you are requesting to be deleted are this account. For example, if you are managing multiple Adobe accounts, for example, you are working with multiple clients, or if you're working with multiple freelancers and you're handling 4 of them as a super admin, you might want to choose the Adobe account that you want to delete. In my case, I'm just using one. And if I want to proceed, just click on the continue button. You would be forwarded in this section. This is permanent, all right? So you have to make sure that you are sure about all the backup, that you have already done it before you delete your Adobe account, because it's permanent and it's not reversible. So I'm not going to proceed with this. But of course, if you do, all I have to do is click on continue. And of course, you would be able to delete it without any problem. But the thing is, if you encounter any problems deleting your account here in Adobe Express, the second thing that you need to do from now is contacting the Adobe support. All right, from here, you see, these are going to be some of the channels that you can choose. All right. You can type in your question to the AI later here if you wanted. Normally, one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps if you are having problems deleting your Adobe Express account here, especially if you have an active subscription. But in my case, since I'm using the free trial, it's going to be a lot easier. And again, please take note that before you delete anything here in Adobe Express, make sure you download any important files stored in Adobe Express or on the other Adobe Cloud services. Especially if you have an active subscription, it will be canceled as part of the deletion process and you won't be refunded for the unused time. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.